In this tutorial, we'll explain how to connect your Cryptohopper account to Exmo. We'll demonstrate how to do this on a desktop, but you can also follow these steps in the app. Step 1. Go to the exchange website and log in or create an account. Step 2. Click on your profile in the upper right-hand corner, then select Settings, and then API. Step 3. Click on Create API Key, give your API key a memorable name, and enable Trade, then click on Create. Step 4. Copy the API key and API secret displayed on Exmo and paste them into the corresponding fields on Cryptohopper. Then click on OK. Step 5. Wait for a moment until you receive an email. Open the link and click on Activate API Key. Step 6. Click on Limitations, select Trusted IP Only, and whitelist the IP addresses by copying and pasting the IP addresses shown in your Cryptohopper account. Click on Next and confirm with two-factor authentication on Exmo, and click on Connect to Exmo to continue creating your trading bot. You might encounter an error in Cryptohopper's onboarding process when connecting to Exmo, even if your API keys are correct. The most common reasons include having no funds in your exchange account, having no funds in your trading account, as some crypto exchanges differentiate between funding and trading accounts, autofill being enabled in your browser, or not being a verified exchange user, KYC. In this case, please click on Continue without testing. You can always check your API keys later in your base config. For more information, you can check our troubleshooting article.